Hey, Dustin Tibbetts with Jazz Wealth. Today I want to talk real quickly about making sure that you're investing for you, investing for a goal. Don't just invest randomly. I've said this numerous times, but the idea is you should have a specific goal. If you're working with a company that's managing your retirement or you're doing it yourself, you should have a goal. What is the $50 a week that you're putting away towards retirement? The $200 a month, however you're having money taken out of your paycheck, what is it going towards? Because what is the end goal? Is that number with the returns going to add up to whatever you'd like for your goal? I know, I make these videos all the time. I hope you'll call. I hope you'll use us as a service. But the reality of it is, this is the one time that you get to be selfish, right? You get to be selfish and say, Dustin, if I invest with you, I'd like to have X number of dollars in 30 years or whatever it may be. What do I need to do to put that money down? How do I need to keep going? What investments do I need to choose? Invest for a goal. Don't invest because you know you have to. Invest because you know you're going towards what you want. These days, with the way we work out all of our models, we can essentially pre-plan the entire life of your retirement and make sure you have what you need to get you on track. So again, if you want to work with us, great, that's cool. I really appreciate everyone that's keeping us in mind, but be selfish, know exactly what you're investing for, do the math real quick, figure it out, and if you need help, you know where to find us.